Iqembu labasubathi lishiye imibhede yalo isaphuma nje inhlamvu yelanga ukuze libe yingxenye emqhudelwaneni wabasubathi waminyaka yonke iRunzone gift and charity obubanjelwe eNorth eGoli. Lomjaho kuhloswe ngawo ukuqoqa incwadi zokufunda zabantwana besikole kanye nezipho zikakhisimusi zezikole ezintathu zaseVosloorus empumalanga yeGoli.
Abasubathi bagcwale nasonqenqemeni lomgwaqo lapha eNorth. Bonke balapha ngenhloso yokunikela. Lomjaho osiqeda iminyaka emine manje wasungulwa nguGraham Block okunguye usihlalo weRunzone.
These are people that are purpose driven. These are people that are enthusiastic about running. These are people that are just really joyful and want to be part of the Christmas spirit. And this is what it's all about.
Bangaphezulu kwamakhulu amathathu abasubathi abebebambe iqhaza kulomjaho. Abaqhuquzeli balomjaho bathi sekunesasasa kulomjaho osuqeda iminyaka emine wasungulwa.
And the schools that they belong to and the communities that they're involved in, it's Tabang Primary School, it's Tuto Lesedi Secondary School, and it's also Vosloorus Comprehensive School. And they're absolutely just really need the stationery, and we're just so privileged to be able to donate it to them. So a day like this is all for you guys, and we really are so happy that we can donate it.
Ubekhona no Father Christmas. Kepha ubengayigqokile isuti yakhe mhlambi lahleke ngesikhathi ehla ngoshemula noma uyikhumule wayishiya ngendlela ngesikhathi selimshisa ilanga kulomjaho wamakilometha ayishumi.
It's a fantastic day to be out here, and I thoroughly enjoyed it, and the charity that was the schools that are going to benefit is just fantastic.
Okuhle ukuthi abafundi bazoqala kahle unyaka njengoba bezothola izincwadi kulamasonto ambalwa ezayo.